Do you have a dark and flaky dry lips? And today let's gonna do a DIY lip scrub. And hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bernadette again here. And today's video, we're gonna do a DIY lip scrub. Here are tips of natural remedies that will help to lighten and pinky our lips. How to lighten dark lips, natural home remedies, and this is our main ingredient. We have this glycerin cream, brown sugar, vitamin E, lemon, and we have also honey. The measurement of our ingredients, guys: 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon or lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of glycerin, and 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar. There are some explanation about dark lips. Some people develop darker lips over time due to a range of medical and lifestyle factors. Read on to learn about the causes of dark lips and some remedies to lighten them. Darkening of the lips can be the result of hyperpigmentation. This is typically harmless condition caused by an excess of melanin. In this video, I will show you the simple preparation on how to lighten dark lips. And this is the preparation, guys. After you put all together these 4 main ingredients, you need to mix it well. And once it is face form, then you need to transfer in a clean container and keep it in a dry, cool place. And you can use it for a maximum of 30 days, guys. Direction for use: gently apply the mixture to your lips before bedtime and wash your lips the next morning. And you will see the result, guys, after 30 days. And hopefully this video of DIY, it will help you to save your time and money. And this DIY lip exfoliating scrub will help you to change the color of your dark lips. And this is for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my video, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell below for you to notify for my next update. And if you like this video, please do thumbs up. To all my subscribers, thank you very much for your full support. And see you next time. Bye bye. God bless.